la felicidad como una luz fugaz, un instante que se va, que se va. Trato siempre de pensar en el ahora, quiero estar. La vida es lo que se da. Es un instante que se va, que se va. Ver el cielo cambiar de color, sentir el aroma de una flor, poder cantar de menor a mayor, respirar y llenarme de amor. Ver el cielo cambiar de color, sentir el aroma de una flor, poder cantar de menor a mayor.
Hey friends, welcome to a new video, guys. Welcome. I just come from shopping. As you see, I'm unpacking my grocery. I take my sweater off. It's been raining non-stop, and I don't know what kind of weather is this, but I'm not complaining because I guess we need the rain, right? God knows what he's doing. But so yeah, so today's video, we're just gonna chat about a couple of things. I'm gonna tell you guys about the garden. I'm gonna show you some things that I'm gonna use in the garden this year for pest control, and I have a little squirrel problem. Guys, I detest, when I tell you I detest squirrels, I detest them because they're a nuisance. They just dig up the garden and they just cause so much trouble. And to my great horror, yes, to my great horror, we have one black squirrel outdoors. And he goes back and forth on the fence in the back, and he has dug up my garden already. I am so upset. I mean, I don't know what to do, but don't worry, I have a solution for him or her, okay, out there. And the next thing we're gonna talk about is some food prices, and we are gonna talk about how good God is and how he answers prayers. And you think that he doesn't care about the small thing, but he does. So let's jump into the video. This is my grocery haul. So we're not gonna do the grocery haul, but anyways, this is a really good grocery haul. I like to go to the discount section. As a matter of fact, let's talk about money saving tips first, then we're gonna move on to the other stuff. So the first thing is saving money. Guys, things in the grocery store are just super expensive, and if you're not careful, you'll be like leaving the store like with your mouth wide open, and you'll be like, what did I buy? What did I buy? You'll be like shocked out of your knockers because the little bag that you carry into the store, you'll be like, this is like $100. This is like $100. You'll be like shocked. So these are some things that I do. Now I like to go to the store early in the morning, and early in the morning what they do is they put out the discount section. Guys, head for the discount section if you're living in Canada and you have the discount section in your store. So I went there today and I got all my fruits, guys, for under $40. Under $40, I'm telling you. Look at the fruits I got. Look, pears. What is this one? This one is pomegranate. I got kiwi. I got apples. Guys, I got tomatoes. No, the tomatoes are over here. Look at the amount of tomatoes, guys. I want you guys to look at the price. Let me see if you guys can see the price. You see the price? $1.49. Look, this is in the discount section. $1.49 for all these tomatoes. And there were many packets there, but I didn't want to take many because I have 2 packets in the fridge already. And I'm going to make sauces with these ones. So I don't want to overpack my fridge because I don't have a big fridge. $1.49. Look, guys, peppers. I got 2 different peppers, $1.49 each. I got this. I got that. Look at the amount of lemon I got, $1.49. Lemons. Guys, I just scored today. Okay, I just scored today. My fruits. I mean, I got everything that I need. Guys, the discount. Oh, look, I got all these peppers here, $1.49. Look at all these peppers, $1.49. So I like to go early. I like to go in discount section. I like to go to 2 different or 3 different stores because early in the morning they put out their stuff, or you can go in the afternoon time too, like late in the evening, about after 7, 8. My country store like to put out theirs late in the afternoon. Those stores close to me here, they put out all in the morning. I like to go there and get all my fruits very, very cheaply. Guys, learn the smart way to save money. So this is what I did. And I got all my stuff here and I'm so, so happy. When I go to the store and I spend like $40 and I got everything that I need, I'm like super, super happy. The girl in the cash was saying, wow, you did good today. Because she saw like, I just picked up all the discount stuff. Then another lady was behind me and she had a lot of discount stuff too. People are getting smart. You get smart too. Okay. The second thing we're going to talk about today. Oh, I forgot to tell you guys, I even got garlic. Look. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 head of garlic. Look, 10 head of garlic, guys. And the garlic were even cheaper. They're $1.25 per. $1.25 for 5 heads. Look, I got 2. I'm gonna make some garlic oil. You know me and my garlic oil. Okay, so the next thing we're gonna talk about is, let me tell you, let's talk about the garden, guys. You see these 2 things? I also got them in the discount section. Look. $1.49. You see the price here? $1.49 each. And guys, this is called Malibu spinach. Now, I don't know what's happening, but it seems like they don't sell Malibu spinach seeds anymore because I cannot find Malibu spinach seeds anymore. And I just love me some Malibu spinach. I like the taste. I like the flavor. I mean, I just love it. Look, it's so delicious. These things are so delicious. I don't know, but this is my favorite spinach, so I like that. And every summer, I would plant the seeds. But for some reason, I can't find it nowhere in Canada. And online, it's like $7 or $8 a pack for the seeds. And I'm like, I'm not buying a packet of seeds for $7 or $8. Ridiculous, okay? But actually, last year, I did order one pack from Amazon, and I never got it. They even refunded my money. So I don't know what happened. But what I did last year was, me and my husband went to the States for a date, what's that, day trip? No, we went for a week trip. We took a trip for the week, like early in the summer, and we got Malibu spinach. How did I get it? I went to a Asian store, no, a Thai store. I went to a Thai store because I know they always have it at Thai stores, but unfortunately Canada doesn't have any Thai stores. And well, where I live, maybe they do have, but not in my area. Yeah. But anyways, I went there and I got in my Thai store and I was able to grow it. So I just grew the stems. I took off all the leaves and I grew the stem, and that's how I got Malibu spinach. So guys, this year I'm going to do the same thing. But let me tell you something about how I got this Malibu spinach. I was going grocery shopping, and this is not my grocery store of choice that I go to. I have 2 other grocery stores that I like to go to, but they're a little further away from me. And I was sitting in my house and I said, oh, I want to go to the grocery store, but I don't want to drive all the way down there. And then it's like, you know, in my mind, my spirit, you know, the Most High speaking in my spirit, he says, like, go to the store over there. It's only 3 minutes drive over there. Why don't you go over there? And I'm like, ugh. I like to go over there, you know, in that store because I don't usually get what I want because the price are not right over there, right? And it's like, the most I speak to my mind and he says like, just go over there, man. Go over there. I'm sending you over there. So I followed. I followed the lead of the Most High. And I went over there, which I don't usually do. Guys, let me tell you something. When the Most High speaks to you and tell you something, just do it. Because he knows. He definitely knows what he's saying. Okay, he definitely knows. And I was going to buy fruits and stuff. And look, I got all my fruits. If I'd gone to the other store, I'd pay twice the amount for the fruits. Because they usually don't have their fruits out. This store that I go to, they don't have a lot of choice of fruits like that one. And I was like, okay. So I drove my car 3 minutes over there in the store and look all the things that I found. But I got my Malibu spinach. The first thing I saw, because last night I was upstairs, I was saying, oh man, I was watching a video and I was like, I wish I could have get some Malibu spinach seed. But you see, the scripture says that the Lord cares about even the hair that's on your head. The little things that we think the Most High doesn't care about, he really, really cares about it, you know? Okay, guys, so I finished taking the stems of my Malibu off the so guys, I finished taking the leaves off the stem of the Malibu spinach. Look at that. And I have my leaves in here, right? Now on the stem, these little things, these are the seeds. So this was, if this was left on the tree, it was gonna make seed, and this little seed, you could save it. So hopefully these ones will make seed again. I plucked them all off though, but hopefully once I transplant them again, they'll make more seed and I'll be able to save the seeds. Okay, hopefully, let's hope that, okay? So I'm gonna cook these beautiful leaves for my dinner tonight. And Malibu spinach is filled with vitamins, an amazing amount of nutrients, and this Malibu spinach is awesome for people who are suffering from problems with their blood. So this spinach is really, really good for people who have low iron. This is a really, really good spinach and it tastes really, really good. So if you have low iron, try to grow some Malibu spinach or buy some in some store where you can find it. Okay. So it's pouring rain outside. Yes, it is. So I cannot go outside and show you how to plant it in a garden. But anyways, these are the pots I'm going to use to plant it anywhere. Malibu spinach does not need a big pot. Eventually, when they start to multiply, you can just add some more inside the pots. And it will become thicker and it just goes everywhere. It just spreads everywhere. And as I said, I'm going to show you guys. You just need a lot of place to run. But it really doesn't need a deep pot, okay? So these are the stems and you want to leave a couple of leaves at the top. You want to pluck out these little things in the middle here. Take them out because they're going to prevent the plant from growing and getting roots fast. So you want to pluck out all those little things you see coming up. And then you just want to take the stem and you want to just put it there. Okay, so let's just plant it. We're going to put the stem just in the soil like that. Okay, put in the stem, push the stem deep down in the soil. The same thing for this one, just put it in there. Okay, and I'm going to put 3 in this small one. And this one is a big stem, so I'm going to separate the stem. I'm just going to put it in there. So 3 is good enough for this pot. And then the rest, I'm just going to stick them in there. Okay? So I put 3 small ones in here. And I put some bigger stems in here. I'm just plucking out all the little things, okay? And this is it. I'll put another one. And they are going to root themselves inside the pot and they're going to start to grow. Now this too, I am going to root them in water and see what's going to happen. I never root them before, but I see somebody rooting them. So I'm going to root them. So this one is gonna be an experiment. So all you have to do is just take the stems and put them in water. This one. So I'm gonna put 3 here in water. And then we'll see what happens. So this is it, guys. This is a Malabar spinach. This is how easy it is to plant. Oh, this one is falling apart. So I'm gonna lay this one down like this. Okay. All right. Let me wash my hands. So all right, guys. Here's my Malabar spinach. It's planted. And there's the other one. Okay. In this little pot. And then this one, which is the experiment one, inside the glass of water. So we will see what's gonna happen. Let's see which one is gonna root faster. And I did this before, so I know it works, but I never did in water before, so that's gonna be a new thing for me. And if this one roots really fast, next time I buy, I'm gonna also root it. So yeah, that's basically it, guys. So let me show you the garden before I close up the video on all this rain that's happening outside. But my plants love the rain, so anyways. So yeah, it's raining cats and dogs out there. Wet, as you can see, but the garden is looking amazing. I have all these flowers to plant. I have all my things out there to plant, but it's raining, so nothing is being planted. Yep. And I got a few bags of compost. So yes, guys, everything looks beautiful out there, and they are looking very happy with the weather. My marigolds are blooming. My flowers is blooming, but that will be another day because I don't want to step outside in the rain. But guys, thanks for watching. I appreciate all of you. I'm falling down. Guys, thanks for watching. I appreciate you all. Thanks for coming back continuously and watch my video. Hello to all my new subscribers this week. I really appreciate everybody who watched my channel. Thank you so much. So guys, remember, stay positive and don't let anything or anyone put you down. Ciao, ciao, my loves. Mwah, mwah. See you in the next one.